everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. On Instagram there's a challenge by Honeybee Nail Art and Nailed It 67 to do negative space manicures. So I'm going to give a 100% negative space manicure a try. All I have on is my base coat, base gel, and the trick with base gel, if you turn your hand upside down, you can make it all level and smooth. And I decided to challenge myself a little bit more. I'm going to try to stick with one polish collection. This is the Model 1's Brandy's Life. I will link my swatch video up in the top right corner. I've put some on a palette and I'm just gonna go play with a dotting tool, a big dotting tool. I'm gonna put them in order so that I can just remember which one's which, even though it doesn't really matter. Make sure your dotting tool's clean. Let's see. I'm sorry, I've just got to do it this way. I'm gonna do maybe a couple different designs. I'm not sure yet. I'm just when I take my hands out of the screen, I'm just flash curing the dots to make them stand out. Stand out, not to run. In between colors, just wipe off your tool. Okay, let me cure that in. Okay, technically that's negative space. I'm gonna do some more and I'm gonna make this, try to make this a little bit more level. But I'm thinking to do dots and something else on the next nail. I never know what I'm gonna do until I do it. At the end of the video, I'll put up another manicure that I did with this collection. This is my Model 1's brush, my striper brush. I guess I'm gonna do dots and lines while I'm here. I pulled my first straight line ever. This brush is wonderful. Try it this way. Make myself some room. I'm liking that color. Might only do the two colors on this nail. I'm just wiping my brush off. I let to wipe. I feel like I need to tie these two in together a little bit. Maybe I'll get out my small dotting tool, use the third color. That's not small enough for me. Use the third color. bump the line. Just wipe that off with a little bit of alcohol. Let's bring y'all in a little closer. See what I'm actually doing here. I don't like that being right next to the other color. Let me wipe that off. Clean those tools off. I'm really liking the dark color the best. I'm gonna flash cure that. I don't want to go too different than I already am. Maybe just one stripe. Look at how easy that is to pull a line. I shouldn't say that till I'm done. Oh, so tiny. How about I try to make a flower? I've never done that with a dotted cure before. Let's see, what color we want the petals? Do a simple petal dotted cure. Okay, putting the color in the middle. Still not happy. I'm never happy though, am I? I'm gonna pull another line with the red. Everybody says hold your finger steady. I gotta brace my whole hand. Didn't have it in my brush enough. There we go. Wiping off the tacky inhibition layer. I'm gonna try something else. I do like the texture of them being raised. I'm gonna try something else. Remember, alcohol will take off anything you need. My gel brush, I just wipe it clean. I have a cap for this, so I'll put this to clear gel afterwards. So I like to store it, and then I'll put the lid on, and it's good to go for next time. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to buff these out lightly. And let's just see. This is my Model 1's buffer. Just because I want them a little bit flatter. As much as I want it. You don't have to buff it, you can let it go bumpy. I just felt it was a little too bumpy for me. Then let me top coat it in. I ran out of their top coat. I've got the one from Amazon, so let me get that out. This is where it's gonna hopefully feel like magic. Keep it off of that skin. Hope you don't mind my view like this. It's just easier for me. And then you cure that in your lamp for the full cure. And that's my finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Thank you for being here with me today. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.